Who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
And you ain't see me activated.